Memory, imagination, emotion, appearance in the world. Memory, imagination, emotion, appearance in the world. None of them have any trouble. None of them can bring any trouble except when we believe our interpretation of them, except when we believe the mind's interpretation of it. Because in the mind's interpretation of it, all these appearances become mine. We put a label through our belief saying that this happened to me. But there is nobody that anything has ever happened to because nobody has ever existed. So if you try to deal with these forces separately, then it will become a more indirect process and it could take many, many lifetimes to find out what you really are. You see, because we start with looking at memory, then we can say, why are my dreams always so dark? And we say, what to do with all of these emotions which come up? And we say, what to do with all my greed, all my lust, all my hunger, all my desire? All of these things can come. So that is why we have given you the simple approach. The simple approach which will short circuit this entire game. And the simple approach is to let go of your next thought and let the appearances come and go. They do not, like we said earlier, no appearance has the power to hurt you. No appearance is loud or strong. It is only made that way by your own belief, by your own identification. And as long as we have some fear that something should not come up, either in the seemingly external appearance or from our memories, then the mind knows that this button can be pushed. And it will save these things up to catch you in a moment where you're open to listening to the mind. So instead, just be completely open for anything to appear. And just keep letting go of your thoughts about them. Yes. But don't let go of your thoughts about anything with the expectation that something should go away as a result of my practice. This is very important. Even yesterday we were discussing this, where we must not use any practice with the expectation that something will stop or some appearance will go. The letting go only means that we are not buying the interpretation about it. But if there's still some strong feeling that this should not happen or this should not appear or something that keeps recurring over and over, then we can together inquire into it. Or you can also shine your own light on it and see who is concerned with this memory coming up or not. Who is concerned with this emotion? Good.